In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log an email on Salesforce. By the end, you'll understand how to set up the foundation for logging emails using a record-triggered flow, so Salesforce can capture email activity automatically and keep your team's history complete and searchable. Start by opening your Salesforce org and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon. That's where you'll find settings. Click the gear and choose the option that opens the full setup experience. This takes you to Salesforce's administrative area where you can create automations and manage configuration. From here, we'll head straight to Flow. In the setup page, use the search bar, often labeled Quick Find, and type Flow. This filters the menu so you can jump right into the Flow Builder section. Flows are Salesforce's no-code automation tools. They let you respond to changes in your data and perform actions without writing code. Click New Flow to start building. You'll see several flow types. Choose Record Triggered Flow. This type runs automatically when a record is created or updated, which is perfect for email logging because it listens for new email records and can attach them to the right lead, contact, or case based on your configuration. Next, set the object your flow will watch. Click Object, then select Email Message. In some orgs, you'll see it listed as Email Message. If you don't spot it, your admin may need to confirm that Enhanced Email is enabled, since that feature stores emails as complete records. Selecting Email Message tells Salesforce to kick off the flow whenever an email record enters the system. Now save your work. Click Save. Give the flow a clear name and a concise description so teammates know what it does, and confirm the save. Saving preserves your setup so you can come back to add conditions, field updates, or associations between the email and the correct related record. At this stage, the important part is that your flow is created, it's record triggered, and it's pointed at the email message object. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you have the right permissions to create and edit flows. If you don't see flow or email message, reach out to your Salesforce admin. Also, consider testing new automations in a sandbox first to validate behavior with sample emails before rolling changes into production. That's it. You've navigated to setup, opened Flow Builder, created a record-triggered flow, targeted the email message object, and saved your configuration, laying the groundwork to log emails in Salesforce effectively.